Hi, I'm Jason Woodworth.
And I'm Evan.
And we're here at Porsche Center Kelowna today to talk to you about our E1 Classic Restoration Challenge 2009 Cayenne S.
Very exciting story, actually. We recently took this vehicle in on trade from a good friend of ours who actually worked here. His parents traded the vehicle in for a newer Macan. Unfortunately, they suffered some larger repairs that came up while they were getting their vehicle serviced, which actually provided a great opportunity for Jason, myself, and our team to acquire this 2009 Cayenne S. We've been on the hunt for quite some time looking for one. We started seeing pictures online, some of the team at Eurowise building these off-road vehicles, big tires, lifted suspension, and going through some of the craziest terrain I've ever seen a Porsche on, and able to still enjoy the brand. So we're very excited about this opportunity, and it's almost fallen into our lap.
Yeah, I think it's been a really great opportunity for us. Living in the Okanagan Valley, there's a lot of outdoor opportunity with all the camping that myself and Evan like to do, mountain biking. We've got the lake, so we got the beaches, boats. It's given us an opportunity to plan something that could give us the opportunity to use one vehicle to experience everything that we can in the valley. So super excited to get this project rolling.
Yeah, We've talked about finding our perfect Porsche for a long time, and ideally that's probably the 911 Dakar. Fortunately, we're not on a 911 Dakar budget, but what's the next best thing? How do we get that Porsche performance that everyone loves and enjoys, but getting a bit more utility? And everything pointed to building one of these off-road or overland Cayennes. The trick was just to find one that we can acquire that was in our budget, one that we could feel like we can put our heart and soul into and really kind of customize and build to how we wanted, and something that we could really thoroughly enjoy after as well too.
Yeah, and I think with the Cayenne S, with the 4.8 liter V8, you get the power, you get the sound, and obviously the style of it. I mean, it's a black vehicle, really nice beige interior, just kind of suits what we're looking for in a vehicle. So super excited.
Couldn't agree more. And really it touches on some of these different branches of Porsche and motorsport that everyone has come to love and enjoy, obviously from Porsche, and we've kind of touched on it a few times of why you love Porsche, why I love Porsche, and everything kind of points to doing this project. So we're very excited to build the vehicle, you and I, but also with our team, and really kind of put our own personal touch on this vehicle and keep another Porsche on the road. As some of the people here at the dealership know, the previous owners thoroughly loved and enjoyed this Cayenne. They owned it for quite some time, and it was difficult for them to trade the vehicle in. Unfortunately, there were some major issues that did come up during their last few weeks of ownership, which did result in the vehicle being towed into us. Jason, what were some of those items?
Yeah, so I remember when the vehicle initially came in, it was towed in because the vehicle wouldn't start. So what we had to do is get it in with one of our technicians, do some diagnostic. They ended up finding that there was that electrical issue with the ignition, causing the vehicle not to start, along with some other wiring issues leading to one of the control units. So we got that repaired. Unfortunately, during that repair, we did come across some other fairly serious engine issues, multiple coolant leaks, quite a large oil leak found from the front timing cover, which, as we know, is quite a lot of work. And they found better value in maybe moving on from that vehicle and looking at a newer vehicle with the dealership. So that's where they kind of initially started that process of trading that vehicle in, and that's kind of when it sparked our interest at, like, maybe this is the right thing for us. Especially being at that conference the year before, hearing about the Classic Restoration Challenge, and it kind of just felt like the stars were aligning for us, and we kind of had this opportunity to take on a challenge, not only as a store, but as a team that we built around here.
Very exciting opportunity. It's almost like the stars align for us. We've been talking about doing this for over 2 years now, I would say. Seeing videos, pictures online of other companies and brands doing it as well. So I can't believe this has finally all come together, and we've got ourselves a vehicle that we can truly build what we've been dreaming of for over 2 years now, and take you guys along on the journey with us. So stay tuned, excited to show you guys our progress, and look forward to seeing you next time.